Hello people, this is Sonali, the Melodramatic Bookworm. If you've been here before, welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to the Melodramatic Bookworm family. I've been wanting to do this video for a long time now, but I finally got the time and the chance and the motivation more than anything to do this video, in which I have a sort of a tiny guide as to how to pronounce a few author names, because it's always a struggle, right? For bookworms, we just read things and we imagine things and we don't know how to pronounce words or names. And that's why I love audiobooks so much, because it tells me the exact pronunciation of names and words and places and whatnot. This happened to me pretty recently as well. For To Sleep in a Sea of Stars, the author's name, I've always been pronouncing it as Christopher Paolini, but in the audiobook it was clearly said that it is Christopher Paolini. So that was a lesson for me. And even very recently, one of my subscribers pointed out that in a video I pronounced the name of the author of Heidi, Johanna Spyri, as Johanna Spyri, and I'm sorry about that, and thank you Kathy for pointing that out to me. I make mistakes, but I am trying to rectify them, and I thought this would be a good way to tell my non-Indian friends about how to pronounce certain Indian names, Indian author names, and how not to pronounce them as well. But the other authors, they are new to even me, so I will be sharing with you the syllable by syllable pronunciation for all these authors and how to pronounce their names. So without further ado, let's get into this video and let me share with you how to pronounce the names of 15 authors that you shared with me on Instagram when I asked you for authors whose names you couldn't pronounce. And I did my research, and here is the result. First on this list is author Sandhya Menon. This is not a difficult name to pronounce at all, but I have seen so many overseas booktubers pronounce it as Sandhya Menon. There's no A in Menon and there's no double A in Sandhya. I know that those particular booktubers are not going to watch this video. I'm nowhere at that level, but please know that it is pronounced Sandhya Menon. Sandhya Menon. That's all. As simple as that. Second on this list is Arundhati Roy, and I have heard someone pronounce her name as Arundhati Roy, and I went, okay, I see why you would pronounce it like that, but it's not like that. It's not pronounced like that. It is pronounced Arundhati Roy. The. It's not the. It's the. It's a double H over there, even though we don't write it that way. So let's go once again. Arundhati Roy. Next is author Megha Majumdar, and I saw this on a channel that I won't name, but this booktuber, she struggled with this name so much, and I was like, it's not that difficult to pronounce. Why that particular booktuber pronounced this name as Megha Majumdar? She went on a complete thing. And I can see why she pronounced the first name as Megha, because English has this thing where Ghost, ghost, which we pronounced as ghost, they pronounced it as ghost. That H is practically non-existent. So I can see why she did this. So let's go one by one. It is Megha. Gh is GH like double H as in the previous name. Megha Majumdar. Next up is an author whose name is simple. It's almost like it's English. And the author's name is Ashok K. Banker. And I saw this on a very popular channel. And the booktuber had such an issue pronouncing the name. It was obvious that she did not pronounce the name. She did not say the name. And the book in question was Upon a Burning Throne. And the author's name, Ashok K. Banker, is so simple to pronounce. I don't know why that issue comes. It is simple. It's not that convoluted, the name. So let's go syllable by syllable for this name, and that is Ashok K. Banker. Ashok K. Banker. Next is an author who has been in the news recently for her controversial opinions, and I just feel so bad that one idol after the other is falling down. And that author is Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie. I have had problems with her name for a long time, but then I sat down and I did my research. I watched YouTube videos and I finally know how to pronounce her name, and then this happens and I'm like, it was all in vain. See, that's the thing, this name I had issues with, but people from Nigeria, they wouldn't have a problem with it because it seems pretty simple. So I feel like it's also a battle of cultures in this whole thing. So let's go one by one for this name. Chimamanda, it's not Manda, it's Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie. Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie. It's not pronounced Ngozi like I had been pronouncing all my life until I found out that, oh shoot. Next is a super popular author in literary circles, in the classic literary circles, and that is Gabriel Garcia Marquez. He is known for his books 100 Years of Solitude, Love in the Time of Cholera, and so on. It's not that difficult when you come to think of it. When you get used to it, you think that, okay, it was not that difficult to pronounce. But when you don't know how to pronounce a particular name and you are struggling to actually tell your brain that, okay, not this, this is how you pronounce it, so it's a bit of a mess. But let's get on with this author's name pronunciation, and that is Gabriel Garcia Marquez. You are not going to pronounce it as Marquez, it's Marquez, like pretend that there's a K over there, and it is Marquez. So the whole name goes as Gabriel Garcia Marquez. Oh, the next name I still have issues with, and I find it really difficult to pronounce it because it's a French name, and the French language is sort of very confusing to me because half the syllables are not pronounced the way they are written, and I'm like, God give me strength. But I'm going to try pronouncing this author's name, and I'm really sorry to the whole French population if I'm doing it wrong, but I'm trying my best. But the name is Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. Next is one of my favorite authors of all time, and I have seen people butchering her, last name, mostly as a joke, but I feel like I have to include this name on my list, and that is Elizabeth Acevedo. And I've seen a number of pronunciations of her last name, but since I've listened to the audiobook that she herself narrated, then I know that her name is pronounced Acevedo. It's not Acevedo like I used to pronounce as well. It took me a while, but I learned it. And let's get on with the pronunciation, and that is Elizabeth, which is pretty simple. We all know how it is pronounced. Acevedo. Elizabeth Acevedo. Next up is an author who I have no experience with whatsoever. I have not read her works, and that author is Ayn Rand. And her original name is not Ayn Rand. It is Alyssa Zinovevna Rosenbaum. I hope that is how it's pronounced because I have looked everywhere for this pronunciation, but I have not found it. So I am going by the syllables, by the phonetics that are pretty obvious. But Ayn Rand, I did check up, and it is pronounced Ayn Rand. Like there was a double A, but there is no double A. So it's Ayn Rand. And her original name was Alyssa Zinovevna Rosenbaum. Alyssa Zinovevna Rosenbaum. Please let me know if this is the right pronunciation, or if you have a link to the correct pronunciation, or if you can tell me how it is pronounced. Next is an author whose book Aristotle and Dante Discover the Secrets of the Universe was a major hit. Almost everyone I know loves that book, although one of my subscribers, one of my friends, she told me that the author himself is a little problematic, and I'm in the process of researching what exactly happened. So the author I'm talking about is Benjamin Alire Sáenz. It took me a while to pronounce this because I used to pronounce it as Sainz or Alir. So I went to YouTube, I tried to look up these names, and I finally hit on the right pronunciation. It is Benjamin, which we know it's a pretty common name. Benjamin Alire Science. Benjamin Alire Science. Next up is a Hungarian novelist who is known for his books which are postmodern and dystopian and the like. And that author is Laszlo Krasznahorkai. I had never heard of this author before this came up in my Instagram stories. Someone sent it to me and I was like, that does sound like a mouthful, but once we learn, it's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. So let's see how it is pronounced syllable by syllable. Laszlo Krasznahorkai. It's not Laszlo, it's Laszlo. Laszlo Krasznahorkai. The next author is the author of the hugely popular Witcher series, and that is Andrzej Sapkowski. And even I was like, I wonder how this is pronounced. It's Andrzej or Andrzej or what is it? And I went to YouTube and I did my research, and it is pronounced as Andrzej. The J is silent. You treat it as an I and say Andrzej Sapkowski. Andrzej Sapkowski. I think it becomes easier with each use. Next is the writer of Fight Club, and that is Chuck Palahniuk. His first name and last name rhyme with each other, so it is Chuck Palahniuk. Chuck Palahniuk. It's not Chuck Palahniuk, as I have been pronouncing for since time immemorial. Next is Jodi Picoult. I've been pronouncing her name as Jodi Picoult for ages because I didn't know better, and I don't know why I didn't just Google her name. It is pronounced as Jodi Picoult. Everything after O in her last name is silent. Jodi Picoult. Jodi Picoult. Jodi Picoult. I mean, if you repeat a name or a word multiple times, it sort of starts losing all sense. I don't know why that happens. Language is weird. Us humans are weird. The next and the last author on this list is Isabel Allende. I have never read one of her books before and I really want to read them, but my 500 strong TBR isn't going to allow me to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tell you how her name is pronounced, and that is Isabel Allende. The LL is pronounced ya. Isabel Allende. Isabel Allende is a Chilean writer, and she is the world's most widely known Spanish language writer. She is known for her books The House of the Spirits, The Long Petal of the Sea, I think, and there is The Japanese Lover, The Daughter of Fortune, and so many more. So those were all the author names that I had for you. If you want to know any other author names and how they are pronounced, then let me know in the comments below, and let me know if this video was of any help to you and if you'd like me to continue doing this sort of learn with me videos. So what did you think of this video? Did you like it? Did you not like it? Did you learn anything from it? And would you like me to make another video about this? And are there any author names that you would like to see the pronunciations of? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you like this video, please like it and share it to spread the word. And if you like my content and would like to see more from me, don't forget to hit subscribe and click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button to get notified as and when I post new videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep reading, keep watching, and add melodrama to your life.